to build strong customization of products under the condition of highly flexibilized mass production. That is the vision of 4.0. Okay, let's make it simple. Hi guys, welcome to the first video of As Simple as Possible. Today we'll be seeing about what Industry 4.0 is and what Industrial Revolution is all about. So what do you think Industry 4.0 is? Industry 4.0 is the connection between a connected system and a physical machinery. So when a connected system and a physical machinery joins, it's called as cyber physical systems. So when a product in a production line goes through a set of process and it is able to find its own way to the next process, it is called a smart industry. Here, the human involvement is reduced and machinery's involvement is increased. So what do we achieve by this? We achieve customization and high flexibility in the manufacturing sector. So what does this do good for the industry? It not only making the production accurate, but also makes an effective mass production strategy work. Before we dive deep into the Industry 4.0, let's have a look at the history. During the pre-industrial era, people used to use goods which are locally manufactured. But then, during the 1770s, steam locomotives were discovered. Not only that, hydraulic press were also discovered. So what did this change? This changed the way how the people used to see the market. People then used to export a lot of quantity than using the locally made products. Industry 1.0 not only opening the markets to a larger audience, but also put a pressure on the industries for large quantities of manufacturing. Luckily, in the next 100 years, electricity was invented.
Now the circuit is hot and the voltages on this.
When electricity entered Industry 2.0 was born. People were able to export large quantity of their products. This created mass production lines and created new variety of products to be manufactured, like the modern day radios, televisions, telephones, etc. In the 1970s, the third industrial revolution began. In the third industrial revolution, the main component was computers. Computers paved the way for the today's automation. Next came the Industry 4.0, also known as smart industries. This encompasses Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, augmented reality and virtual reality, industrial robotics, blockchain, digital twin, and 5G. To make this more understandable, we will give you some examples. Generally, the gold is excavated manually, which is a very tedious process. But then in Africa, they found a sensor which is capable of importing data where the yellow metal is present. This made their process really simple, that their yield increased by 3.7%, which saved them $20 million annually. Next, let's see about a billion-dollar company, Amazon. Do you know that Amazon knows what you want before you buy it? But you ask, how could Amazon possibly know what I want before I buy it? That's where predictive analysis comes in. Amazon predictive analysis can be used in a number of ways, most notably for creating bundles. This ensures not only the Amazon's logistics stay efficient, but also the warehouse stays compact without any flooding of unwanted goods. Hope this video gave you an insight about what Industry 4.0 is. This is just a brief introduction of this huge, massive topic. But then I want to ask you a question. Does the world actually need another industrial revolution? Let's check it out in the next video.